Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Torts class. In this video, we are going to discuss the commencement of insurer's liability. Normally, you want your vehicle to be insured. You contact the agent, he give the money to him, immediately he will give the cover note. If you pay the money. Suppose if you give the check, he will give the cover note, but whenever the check is, at the time of realization of the check, from that time only the insurance will come into effect. Not from the issue of the cover note. The conditions will be there. That's why I've been telling Gopala movie. So act of God, ekkado chitta line kanapadi kanapadavada undi. Alage ikkada kuda rastaru. You have to know that. The case of Yellamma, Oriental Insurance Company, National Insurance Company. National Insurance Company versus Yellamma, 2008. So it is a very clear case to say as to when the insurance liability starts. So please remember, all of you are very well aware that a person who is having a vehicle, he has to take the so-called insurance and he has get it transferred also. Please remember, compulsory insurance is 146 of the ME Act, and whenever you purchase a second-hand vehicle, you should get it transferred in your name according to 157 of the ME Act. These things are important. Now the point is at which time the insurance liability starts. You all know the purpose of insurance is indemnification. That's all. Right. Here, Miss Yellamma, she gave a check for the premium amount to the insurance division officer, and basing on faith of Yellamma, he has given the cover note also. Maybe inadvertently, whatever it is. And immediately the insurance people, they have realized the issue, they have noted the mistake, and they asked the defendant, Madam, your check is not valid, or we don't want to honor your check, please pay the amount. She said, what nonsense, I have given the check, you should have taken the money. Nothing, come on, you give back that check to me, take this cover. I would కోపం వచ్చి తన చెక్కు తను తీసుకొని వీళ్ళకి కవర్ నోట్ ఇచ్చేసింది. కర్మగాలి. I think on 12/9 of ఏ సంవత్సరం గుర్తురావట్లేదు, నోట్స్లో రాశాను. Okay, during this period, before she took another insurance, the vehicle met with an accident. And she wanted to cover up, saying that this is the insurance from so-and-so date, 13/9, 2001 to 12/9/2002, 1 year ఉంది కవర్ నోట్లో, కానీ నాట్ వ్యావ్ చూపిస్తే the Oriental National Insurance Company, they did not agree. Here the important point is subject to the realization of the check. That is more important. So no insurance at the time of accident, even though it's on paper, since the check was not realized, no insurance, so there is no necessity for the insurer. Insurer is not liable to pay the so-called compensation. So this is very important case, Yellamma case. So please remember, the liability starts after the realization of the check, but not the time of giving the premium note. Because of the faith in you, because they think that you don't normally do something wrong, they may be giving you the cover note. But when they find that the check is bounced, when it is not valid, then they cannot issue the so-called insurance. So that's why please remember, whenever any insurance certificate is given, they will mention the time. Not only date, they will include the time also, because before that, if something happens, they are not responsible. After that is something, definitely they are responsible. But here is a specific case. That's why inadvertently they have given the premier note. So ultimately, they realize the mistake, and in a fit of anger, she has given back the same. What happened? See, that is the difference. Andukane accident antene adi. What is accident? Accident is an incident which you don't expect. ఉదయం బయలుదేరుతాం, ఈ ఆఫీస్కి వస్తాము, తిరిగి వెళ్తాం అనుకుంటాం, సడన్గా దారిలో ఏదో బండి కొట్టుద్ది, డామ్ను పైకి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాక్సిడెంట్. యు ఆర్ నాట్ ష్యూర్. సో దట్స్ వై do not drive a vehicle without insurance. Section 3, do not drive a vehicle without driving license. So please remember, Similarly, do not drive a vehicle without C-book, which is not having C-book. So these three things are more important. So Yellamma case, normally as students you have to understand it properly, that insurance liability commences from the date of realization of the check. If you remember this much, it is sufficient. Thank you.